Hi, I'm Risa from Anju Risa. Welcome to my craft room. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make this simple turban hat. If you love anything about turban hat, consider subscribing. As I always say that it's recommended to only use stretchy fabric to make this turban hat. And remember, when we are working with fabric, the direction of fabric is very important. You can see, this is the edge of fabric. The size is 8 inches for babies and 9 to 11 inches for adult. And the length is head circumference plus an inch. Now to determine which one is the right side of the fabric, with the edge of fabric here, I will stretch here, and stretchy fabric will always curl toward the right side, so this is the right side. With the right sides together, fold the fabric in half, with the edge of fabric here, and I will sew here using a serger. And if you don't have a serger, you can just use a regular zigzag stitch. Like this. Prepare another piece of fabric. This is for the loop, and this is for the bow. For the loop, the size is about 3 inches and 5 inches long. For the bow, the size is about 6 inches and the length is head circumference plus an inch. With the right sides together, fold the fabric in half, like this. And for the loop, I will sew here using regular stitch. And for the bow, I will sew using knit stitch. These are the patterns on my sewing machine. To sew the loop, I will use this straight stitch, but to sew the bow, I will use this knit stitch. If you don't have this knit stitch on your sewing machine, you can use a regular zigzag stitch. You can see my knit stitch. This is to let us stretch the fabric without fear of breaking the seam. And this is the loop. Now turn the fabric inside out. Prepare the turban hat, and with the wrong sides together, I will fold the fabric, like this. This will be the back side of our turban hat. So I will fold the fabric in half to determine the front side here. Take the loop and put the loop here, and I will sew here using regular stitch. Like this. This is the front of our turban hat, and this is the back side of our turban hat. Prepare another piece of square fabric. The size is head circumference divided by 3. So if the head circumference is 18 inches, the size of this square fabric will be 6 inches. Fold the fabric in half and half again, and I will cut from here to form a circle. So when we open the fabric, it will be a circle shape, and this circle shape doesn't have to be perfect. Now I will pin the fabric, the circle fabric, to this turban hat with the right sides together. So the right side will be here. I will pin the fabric like this. Like this. And I will sew here around using a serger. Like this. So when we see from the outside, it will look like this. Take the bow and I will put the bow through the loop here. And with the right sides together, I will fold the bow and sew here. Like this. Cut the excess fabric. Now I will gather the fabric here, like this. Stitch to secure. Like this. This will be the center of our bow. I will move the center here to the loop here. Like this. And now this is the back side of our turban hat. I will stitch right in the center here. And our turban hat is finished. And this is the back side. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this turban hat tutorial, please give thumbs up, leave a comment below, share, subscribe, and ring the bell. Now another center of our bow.